Hey folks, Big Lou here. Beautiful day outside. Cars glistening in the sun. Cars glistening in the sun. Alright, but something more important, more delicious. I've got the Masterbuilt 30-inch smoker. We've got the char-broil grill already. We have, chicken burgers. Marinated chicken. We had a steak right there, and we have some scramps. Alright, shrimps on skewers. Alright. And the audience today, we have Katie and Dan. Hey, how you guys doing?
Wonderful.
Wave to the crowd.
Amazing.
Yes. You guys ready for some grub? Okay, so here we go. We've got the ribs on. Got some sausage on here as well. We'll hit the heat temperature for the probe, and it's showing, better hold it, 183. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up so I can show you guys the smoke effect. Oh my. Woo! Look at those ribs. Can you see those ribs? Can you see them? Sausage on top, looks like that's about ready to come off. So the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is put some sauce on there. We'll get these ribs going. See you on the grill. All right. Okay, here we go. We've got the steaks done. We've got some shrimp skewers going. Like the Australian friends would say, shrimp on the barbie, mate. All right, maybe they won't say mate. Yeah, they do. All right, that's perfect. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead, and this spot right here is saved for the ribs. So we'll be right back. And there you have it. So now we've got the beef ribs put on. What I did is I went on and just used my Pogs. That's the garlic powder, onion powder. Used some coarse pepper today and some sea salt. And just put some Sweet Baby Ray's on some of them because my wife loves barbecue sauce. Then some of us like just straight up gangster meat. So we got the meat right there. All right, next time you see these, it's gonna be a plate full of goods. All right, there it is. End results, we've got some shrimp, grilled up some shrimp, the ribs smoked up nicely with the Baby Ray's. I don't know if you can see that really good, but I can. And then we've got some ribs over here without the sauce that we put on the smoker. We smoked some sausage. We did up the steak. Oh, beautiful. Got some chicken there and some burgers, folks. I love this family. Oh, how precious. Hey, God bless you, folks. Time for a pig out. Peace.